Chilling with my boy Jeff. My hair is a mess. Yeah. About to head to the F1 festival. Waiting on our boy Max to get here, and then we're gonna ride up. Say something, Jeff. Last week as a kickoff to the race in COTA for Formula One, a couple of the drivers came to Los Angeles to rip it up and down Hollywood Blvd. Max Verstappen, Valtteri Bottas, Ricciardo, and Alex Albon. So met up with a couple buddies, Jeff and Max. We met over at Sur and rode the bikes over to where the Chinese theater is. They also had the guy that composed the intro theme song for Formula One there, performing it with his orchestra. And watch them do the donuts, have a donut contest.
Valtteri Bottas. I come from Finland. I started racing when I was 6 years old with go-karts.
Jeffrey got his
we bet heavily in Red Bull. I think we're maybe one of the top guys for it.
And I got a new $75
that's kind of what I rely on, because almost all these races now, for the end of the race, to the end of the year, will be my first.
And it's the pinnacle of motorsport. Most exciting part is driving the car, and especially in qualifying on the limit. That is, for me, definitely the best part.
So after all the drivers came out and did donuts, they had a stunt bike guy come out. And then after that, they did a donut competition. Check it out.
decision, Brian Tyler would like to award Valtteri Bottas as our inaugural donut champion, presented by Pirelli. How about a round of applause for all of our competitors, including our inaugural champion, Valtteri, here today, and our celebrity judge, Brian Tyler, who brought out his orchestra earlier today and is bowing for you.
Valtteri Bottas ended up winning the donut competition, and he ended up winning the race in Austin, Texas as well. Epic time at the F1 event. Wish I was following it to COTA next weekend. Boys are rolling out.
F1, baby.